We'll guide you through how to delete a YouTube account on an iPhone or Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on the YouTube app, and for whatever reason you want to delete your YouTube account. You can follow this whether you use an iPhone or an Android, it doesn't matter. So perhaps you're embarrassed by content you posted, or there's another reason why, like you just don't go and use the account anymore and so you want it deleted. Now make sure this full guide is giving you important information throughout this whole video. So any further ado, let's go and get started. It's important to note that we're going to be focusing on deleting a specific YouTube channel, also known as a YouTube account or brand account. So you're still going to have the YouTube account as a whole, but that specific channel and brand account is going to go and be deleted. That's important to note. So you're still going to have your entire Google account, your Gmail, your Google Drive, that's all accessible. If you want to delete your Google account, we've got a guide on that. So what you need to do is go and press U in the bottom right. We need to make sure we go and select the correct YouTube account and channel we do this with. So go and press accounts in the top left, and you can then choose from the list. So I'm going to go and do it with this one here. When you're going to have that selected, you can press U again in the bottom right. And then what we need to do is go to the top right, and you can go and find the gear or cog icon to open up the settings here. Now what you need to do is come down here and find the option for your data in YouTube, and you want to go and tap there. Then what you need to do is you want to go and press on your profile icon in the top right, and you want to go and find the option for manage account, like so. Once again, you can switch accounts here and just make sure it is the correct one at the top here. We can then see the brand account details and the account details here. And then what you can do at the bottom is you'll go and see the option for delete account. So you can tap there, we'll press next, and you can then read this through. You can download your data at the top, just understand the associated channel and the data is going to go and be deleted. Agree down here, I've read this through, and you can then press delete account. And that's it.